Why did the M&M want to go to school? Because he wanted to be a smarty. You're welcome. So we have 7 trusses left to put up. We'll get them all up today, and then we got to do some strapping, build the gable end, stuff like that. Pretty sure tomorrow is going to rain all day, so we'll get as much as we can done today, and then back at it the next day, I guess, after the rain. Look at me way up here with the trusses. I'm a little nervous. I'm way up high. Yay, nice view up here though. I'm glad I finally came up. Oh yeah, looks great. Standing on this plank. Nervous. The army tent. Jeremy has me sleeping in there at night. Just kidding. All the pigs have been eating so much they went in for a nap. I've been getting stuff from the local grocery store to feed to the piggies, so they've been eating real good. Now they're napping. Beautiful sky today.
I'm hungry again already. Didn't eat big enough breakfast.
Heavier today.
All right, I'm good.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Warming up?
The sun, eh?
Just lift it up over the wall. Yeah, just, that's it. Gotta go farther than that.
Yeah, I know.
Probably easier if you weren't on that side of the board. If you had left it where you had it.
I think so. I gotta go more?
No, you put that board in the way.
Come on, Frank.
I don't want to fall out here. Too sunny or too hot today.
Yeah,
1
yeah.
degree warmer.
Day off. This one here.
Gotta go your way or your way, eh? All right. Thank you.
Welcome. You're welcome.
I had to turn off my mic.
You what?
I went pee in the woods. I had to turn off my mic when you were talking up here.
Oh.
To be able to that space, however big this is how far when you have to do it. Yeah, that's 6. Well, it's 5 feet. So if you had 6 feet, you'll definitely be able to flip it. So you leave out 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the last one, maybe. Probably you could probably put 2 more max. We'll throw this one up and then I'll go throw the other braces and we can carry them up. The second truss is always lighter than the first one. Oh yeah, that's a good spot for that saw thing.
Oh yeah. I was
Good spot
actually
for that
thinking it
bucket.
was out of the way.
Good spot for the bucket too.
Oh, looks like I need to move some
I already
stuff.
had to go over the bucket once.
Right up here, I guess.
Yeah, just in front of that there, yeah. There, yeah, that's easy. That's good, yeah.
Oopsie, I put the bucket there.
Pardon?
I said, oopsie, I put the bucket there. Ah, gee, ah, frig.
Got it?
Yeah. Gotta go more.
There, that's good.
This works, eh? Maybe. Don't get in a panic. Yeah. Why do I do this every time?
Go ahead and get up on the other side. Man, I could use a piece of that pie.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it too now. Are you ready for this one?
Yep. I'm good. Ready?
Ready?
Oh, you're stuck.
Yeah, running the nails already.
Ready?
Yeah.
They're light at least. You got any?
You need me to pass you some of these?
He needs nails.
Nails? Okay.
Good? What?
Gotta hang on out there. It's getting trickier all the time. Oh!
I'm pretty sure that would put the fire in the arms now. More after this, other than the gable.
Down, I know.
Well, just trying to keep you motivated.
Yeah, I'll be motivated. You keep it up.
Smashes his head off it.
Oh yeah, he'll be have to get 72 stitches on his scalp.
Here.
Yeah. There you go.
You good so far?
Yeah. Yeah. So good.
So we're done. Another day. All the trusses are up.
Yeah. Feels good to have those up.
Oh yeah.
We'll do a little more bracing on them and we'll strap them. We got all the strapping here. Don't have the metal here yet, but we do have all the strapping
Yeah.
for the metal.
And I think we have that black paper that goes over it before you start.
Yeah, you want the metal
metal.
before you do that.
Oh.
Just because our chances would just blow off.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. That's true.
But we do have the strapping, so we can do that next. And we need to put, obviously, sheathe up the gable ends. Mm-hmm. We got lots to do. Actually, there's all kinds of stuff to do.
Oh yeah.
But we have the strapping, so that's
that's
next.
good.
Strapping it in.
Yeah.
Strapping a couple braces.
And
That's
building those things on the gables.
Huh?
Building the thing on the gable. It's just part
Oh,
of
the
your
gable
strapping.
ladder, yeah.
The gable ladder, yeah. Gotta do that too.
Yep.
Big job doing a roof.
But it's coming along. It's
Sure
looking
is.
like a garage.
Yeah, it's really
Loving it.
awesome.
As soon as the metal's on, man, just that'll give you a dry spot.
Yeah, be great.
So yeah. Well, we'll see you later.
We're tired again, going in for supper.
Yep.
See you in the next
Hungry,
one.
You got to go through a few trails with Sam before we go in. She
Yeah.
wants to show. She's been
Exploring.
cutting trails.
Yeah, she's been exploring while we've been in here, so
Yeah.
she's gonna show us her little,
I wish
little
I had
things.
70 acres when I was a kid.
Yeah, right. It's
Although
pretty
I
awesome
lived
for her.
in out in the sticks, so right behind our house, it wasn't our land. But we call it crown land here in Canada, so probably they call it federal land, imagine, in the States. I think they do.
I don't know.
Anyways, government-owned land behind our house for miles and miles, actually. And we played in that, built forts and all that. Shot BB guns.
Nice.
Make other kids do crazy stuff.
So she gets to explore the woods around here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, see ya, I guess.
See ya.